Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this black Swarovski crystal lace and beaded flip-flop. Super easy to make and it's super cute. I think it would go great with a black bikini if you want to look glam on the beach. But it was really inspired by the wedding shows that I watch because a lot of times, well not a lot, but I'm noticing more and more that brides choose black wedding dresses. And I like that look. I think it's cute. So I just wanted to throw an idea out here for the ladies who choose that and to give them some options for their bridal party. This could be perfect for when you're doing your glam, just like my white bridal flip-flop, or it could just look cute for the bride. So if you like this look, let me show you what I used to make it. And then this is just another view of the shoe before we get started so you can have a better idea of what it looks like. For this project, I used E6000 glue, black lace trim, and some Old Navy black flip-flops. I used black diamond Swarovski crystals in 16SS, black halfback beads in 4mm, and black halfback beads in 5mm. So in case you're wondering what the noise is in the background, that is rain. It's rainy out here. It's really pretty and it smells really great. So anyway, my first step is going to be to add the black lace trim to this side of the flip-flop because I'm going to add beading and crystalline to this side. So I'm going to measure and glue on the lace trim and show you what that looks like. This is the piece of lace trim after I have measured it. It has a lot of backing, so I'm going to trim some of this off before I glue it on just to make sure that the lace trim can stay secure and that this won't be hanging off of the edge. This is what the flip-flop looks like now that the lace trim has been added. If you wanted a plainer look, you could really stop right here, but I'm going to keep going with the beading and the Swarovski crystals, and I'll stop and show you my progress about halfway through. This is what the flip-flop looks like so far now that I've started adding the crystals and the beading. I'm just going to add a couple more crystals and beads and then I think I'll be all set and I'll be ready to show you the final result. As a reminder, this is what the flip-flop looked like before. And this is the final result. I really like how this turned out. I didn't add too many crystals because I didn't want the flip-flop to look like it had too much going on, but I really like this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you make this for yourself because it's so much cuter in person than it even is on camera. And I hope you have a really great week. I'll see you next time.